Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. Must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. Decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Catch it is the call and well taken by the fielder. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Impressed by the field sets by the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Good shot for a single. Not acceptable. This is just not right. Basic misfield like this can really cost them a lot. These are free runs. You can't put pressure on the opposition like this. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Turned away for a single. Lucky not to have conceded more runs.